another good performance tonight from the lads. That's 3 goals and an assist for you so far this season. How are you feeling about it?
Yeah, no, feeling pretty well. Obviously, last few weeks gone pretty well for me personally.
Yeah.
But more importantly, we're picking up wins, and it's another big 3 points. I think, well, tonight especially, they started pretty well, and it looked like it was going to be pretty tough. But the scoreline, we've obviously managed to put them away, and second half we've been really clinical.
I'm saying to the boys on the sideline, like, your engine is just unreal. You don't stop.
I try. No, I've definitely worked really hard on my fitness. I'd say I've always tried to look after myself, pick up a few niggles here and there, but I'm trying to look after myself away from the football club to make sure that I don't pick up as many injuries. And I feel like the last few weeks I've definitely managed to do that, and I feel sharp in myself. And obviously last couple of weeks, a few 90 minutes, and feel better for it.
Both your goals today come from balls over the top to yourselves.
Yeah, I think a lot of people who will have played with me, or take for example Jebo, like, they know those type of runs I will make probably most of the game. Probably be offside a few too many times, but no, that's exactly how, if they play high lines, that suits me, and then I haven't got to think too much, and hopefully I can put the ball in the back of the net.
You had a few chances there, you could have had your hat-trick.
Yeah, I know, a bit disappointed not to get them, but thought the keeper made a couple of really good saves, and then the header I just couldn't quite get to, so I hit the target on all of them, so that's the main thing.
Okay, thank you, James.